Taxation. Tax is the sum of money paid by people, companies, agencies, organizations, etc. to the government for the public service purpose. Types of tax are sales tax, income tax, VAT, local tax, transportation, and so on. Income tax. It is the part of income to the government which is paid when the annual income is above a certain specified amount. Allowances. It is a tax-free income. Taxable income. Annual income after deducting the allowances. Some important formula. Taxable income is calculated after deducting allowance from total income. Income tax. Tax of rate and taxable income. That is income tax equals to rate of tax into taxable income. Rate of tax is equals to income tax divided by taxable income into 100%. Now value added tax, VAT. It is a type of tax which is imposed to the quoted price or added to the amount payable after any discount or extra charges have been calculated. Some formula: VAT amount is equals to rate of VAT into selling price. Rate of VAT is equals to VAT amount divided by selling price into 100%. SP with VAT is equals to SP before VAT plus VAT amount. Note: VAT is always calculated on selling price after deducting discount. If there is no discount, direct VAT is calculated on MP. Some worked out examples. Here, Liquen's monthly salary or monthly income is rupees 10,000. If he pays 15% income tax on the taxable income excess than rupees 75,000, find the income tax paid by him. Solution: here the monthly income of Liquan is 10,000. His yearly income becomes 10,000 into 12 equals to 1,20,000. Tax-free income is 75,000. Then taxable income equals to 1,20,000 minus 75,000 is equals to rupees 45,000. Therefore, his rate of income tax is 15%. Thus, income tax is equals to 15% of rupees 45,000. That is 6,750. Hence, the required income tax is 6,750. Now, see the next examples. The monthly income of a person is rupees 10,000 and his annual allowances is rupees 80,000. If he has to pay 15% as income tax, find his net income per month. Yes, solution. Monthly income equals to 10,000. The annual income, that is yearly income, equals to 10,000 into 12 is equals to 1,20,000. Therefore, taxable income equals to yearly income minus yearly allowances. That means 1,20,000 minus 80,000 is equals to 40,000. Then the rate of income tax is already included, that 15%. So income tax is 15% of 40,000. The 15 of 100 into 40,000 equals to 6,000. Now, net annual income after paying income tax. The 1,20,000 is total yearly income minus tax to be paid 6,000 is equals to 1,14,000. Therefore, net monthly income is rupees 1,40,000 divided by 12 is equals to 9,500. That is monthly income of a person. Now, third type of examples. An officer with an annual income rupees 3,25,000 pays rupees 30,000 as annual income tax at 15%. Find the tax-free allowances for the officer. Solution: here for the officers, annual income equals to rupees 3,25,000 and annual income tax is 30,000. Rate of income tax equals to 15%. Annual tax allowances is equals to what? We know that rate of income tax is equals to income tax divided by taxable income into 100%, or tax given 15% and income tax given 30,000 divided by taxable income into 100%. Now we simplify. The taxable income is equals to 30,000, 15,000 by 100 is multiplied here. The 3 lakh, 30 lakh divided by 15 equals to 2 lakh. Now tax free allowance, the total income minus taxable income. The 3,25,000 is total income, whereas minus 20,000, that is tax. The remains 1,25,000. Hence, the required tax-free allowance is 1,25,000. Now here fourth examples. The yearly income of a family was rupees 5 lakh. Tax was exempted up to rupees 1 lakh 50,000. If the tax levied for the first 2 lakh was 10% and for the next 15%. Find how much amount of income tax will be paid in a year. Solution. Here, yearly income equals to rupees 5 lakh. Yearly allowances equals to 1 lakh 50,000. Therefore, taxable income 5 lakh minus 1 lakh 50,000, that is 3 lakh 50,000. Now, income tax for first 2 lakh of taxable income equals to 10% of 2 lakh, that is 20,000. Remaining taxable income 3 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh equals to 1 lakh 50,000. The income tax for the remaining taxable income is equals to 15% of rupees 1 lakh 50,000, that is 22,500. Therefore, total income tax equals to 20,000 plus 22,500 equals to rupees 42,500. Now here last examples. Last year, Sangam's income was rupees 4 lakh 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh 20,000 was tax-free income. 10% of his yearly income was deposited in Provident Fund, that is PF, and 15% in Civil Investing Fund, means CIF, which was also tax-free. If 1% of tax was levied on first rupees 2 lakh and 15% on the rest, find total yearly income tax paid by him. Solution. Here, yearly income equals to 4 lakh 50,000. Tax-free income is 1 lakh 20,000. Deposited in PF, that is 10% of 4 lakh 50,000, means 45,000. Deposited by CIF, means Civil Investing Fund, 15% of 4 lakh 50,000, that is 67,500. Then yearly taxable income remains 4 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh 20,000 minus 45,000 minus 67,500. That remains 2 lakh 17,500. Now we distribute this according to we have to pay tax. The 2 lakh plus 17,500. The yearly income tax, the 1% of 2 lakh and 15% of remaining, that is 17,500, is equals to 1% of 2 lakh is 2,000 and 15% of 17,500 is 2,625. That gives sums 2,000 plus 2,625 equals to 4,625. Hence, the required income tax is 4,625. Now, this is the time for homework. You can see here, questions are given for you to practice as a leisure time or as a homework. These all are the questions. If you have problem, then you can comment in my comment box, or if any fault occur in video, you can comment it. And if difficulties occur while looking, you can pause it and solve the questions given in exercise. These are the also exercise for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe your channel Motivation and Maths Trick.